Hi, I'm Krati, IT graduate turned work from home marketing agency owner. I teach freelancers and founders how to grow with content. I use these exact strategies to build my Instagram from scratch to 16k while managing my clients worth 2 to 3 lakh per month.
Instagram in 2026 is very clear. It's about the watch time plus return viewers. Retention is greater than reach. Instagram pushes people where they watch more than 40%, rewatch or share or save. So the first 3 seconds is the make or break. So when I changed my hooks, like from freelancer tips to a girl who has left her job to pursue full-time freelancing, my views got doubled. You don't need niche clarity, you need audience clarity. 3 growth lanes that will always hit in 2026. Identity based content. So for me, it's like I'm a baniya, married, working from home, managing my work and my home, everything from this office setup. That's my identity. Second is value-based micro lessons about the marketing, agency behind the scenes, the freelancing tips. And third is the story-based relatable reels. So I'm definitely sure you have heard the famous storytelling of Apurva, and I've already made a great video on it, so you go and watch it. But even if you're in this niche, you can make stories on red flag clients, the struggles around the payments, the team mess ups. So you can do a lot of storytelling content, and that will help you a lot if you're a freelancer building on social media. You can even talk about your daily routine, how you shoot, how you do everything. Yeah, that is all that your audience want to watch. And if you're a beginner just starting on social media, I'm telling you, you should document your journey. Like, you should show day one how your journey looks like, even if you have 0 clients, and day 5, day 10, day 100, how your journey look like when you have 2-3 clients, when you are building a team. So that journey people really like to watch. So if you are a freelancer and starting on social media, documentation is gold mine, because for me, I already have ton of clients. What I can show is the scaling part. But someone who is just starting and getting their first client or hiring their first team member is the gold mine. Scene 1, hook 3 seconds. So you can show a b-roll of you working on laptop in a cafe, in outside, or even in office. And you can easily put, I grew 5k followers without posting, here's how. Or I made 1 lakh without doing any cold calls or running ads. Scene 2, show your steps quickly. Clip of your writing analytics, clip of your tools, your resources, your books, your phone, clips of your surroundings. And scene 3, just give us CTA. So follow me if you want more work from home agency hacks, or comment this if you want the lead magnet in the DMs. This 3 scene action give you retention plus satisfaction, and this is the favorite saucy key for impressing the algorithm. If you post 3 posts every week, you will reach faster than 99% of the people right now on Instagram. The hero post, viral reel, where you share your achievements, what you have done, like what I learned earning from 1 to 2 lakh per month home, or basically freelancers stop doing this, or giving some magical solutions which you have found. Authority post, you can make a carousel, like 5 hooks that doubled my reel views, or what kind of content works on LinkedIn right now, या फिर cold DM frameworks or templates or messages that make you close a client worth 50k. Human post story that builds connection. For me, how I did IIT, I did 9 to 5, and the transition to freelancer and then to agency owner basically, and how being a baniya girl and how being a conventional baniya girl, how and what struggles I have to face, to pursue this, being from a totally academic background like IIT and also, yeah. Instagram is now indexing keywords and captions, text on reel, your script, your username. Show BTS, you planning keywords, you adjusting reel titles, searching your niche in Instagram search bar. Use long tail keywords, freelancing tips for beginners India, work from home marketing agency, Instagram growth for freelancers. You don't need to reply 500 comments, you need smart engagement. Do this instant. Reply to comments in first 30 minutes, send 5 DMs daily to ideal audience, comment on top creators in your niche. Show BTS of your routine. You typing comments, you responding to DMs, you engaging before posting. This is where my agency growth changed everything. So how I convert my followers into clients. I put a lead magnet in bio. You can use DMCTA like send grow for a strategy. You can post one story daily about your work, which I do. Sharing behind the scenes of client results, which I also do, and use case studies once a week. This is where your flavor comes in. Instagram loves raw, real human connect. That's why even someone sitting in their village making a very honest reel on an honest topic can go viral, and you sitting in your fancy home and office can get like 10 views. So here are some BTS ideas to record. You editing scripts, taking client calls, your work from home setup, writing hooks on notebook, packing orders if applicable, analytics checking, failures, sprints, retakes. I'm telling you honestly, when I started sharing my behind the scenes agency work and sharing my stories, my views got like skyrocketed, and I literally hit like 16k on Instagram right now, and it's all because of that. Previously, when I just used to do mundane content, just tips and hacks, no views. And not that, my follower growth becomes consistent. So basically why people don't grow is they wait for perfect lighting, perfect audio, perfect visuals, but they don't understand that what works, and they don't try to create a genuine human connection by speaking the real stuff. Sometimes consistency is so important. Literally, I'm making right now this video and my hair is not that good, like it's proper champu candy. But I'm making a video because I want to be consistent on YouTube. Same goes with Instagram. So consistency is important. Sometimes it's okay if you're not looking perfect. You have to come and shoot on the camera and upload it. So yeah, go and follow me on Instagram and subscribe my YouTube channel. And you can also follow me on LinkedIn. LinkedIn, I'm like a very serious guru type person. But still, LinkedIn is amazing. So you should go and follow me there. Bye.